Hello dear students, how are you? Fine, feeling well? It's Said and today we have to gonna start our English subject from the very beginning. First of all, English. English it has no any specific definition. We can just say that the language spoken by the language which the England people speak. So that is known as English. So English, first of all, from the basic, if you want to start English, first of all, you have to know about parts of speech. Like what actually parts of speech is, because it's the very beginning, the basic thing in English is parts of speech. So parts of speech, if I write any, it has also not any specific definition. People just make from their own side any definition. So I will write the group or class of words which play essential role for giving complete sense to a sentence or in a sentence is known as parts of speech. The group or class of words which plays essential role for giving complete sense in a sentence or to a sentence is known as parts of speech. Now, secondly, there are 8 parts of speech. 8. First there were 9. Now in the modern English it is they have decreased it to 8 because article himself is included in adjective. When we will study adjective, at that time we will also study article in adjective. So that's why now the 8 parts of speech are remaining. So the first is noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, and fifth part is adverb, sixth part is preposition, seventh part is conjunction, and eighth part is interjection. These are 8 parts of speech. We will study all of them. Today we will just study about noun, its definition, example, its major parts or types. So these are, you should note it if you want to note definition or name of parts of speech. Then we will erase it. Now today we will just study about noun. Noun. Dear students, noun have many definitions, a lot of definitions, because every teacher makes its own definition of noun. And I will just write that any name. I have just written any name. Now any name, it could be a name of a place, a name of thing, a name of person, a name of product, a name of car, a name of whatever you want. That's including in noun. So its definition is just any name. Now if I give any example, now if you use it for person, I can say that, like I will write want to use it for place, I will write Quetta because I'm living in Quetta. And if I want to write about things, so I will write about marker or board, marker or whiteboard. And if I want to write any product name, any company name, whatever, so like I will write this a dollar marker, so I will write dollar. It's also noun. So this example of noun, this person, place, thing, product, company, whatever you want to say, that is dollar. So this is noun, means any name of anything, any place, any person, whatever you want, that is noun. Now parts of noun. Parts, there are types of noun. It have many types, but some 7-8 are major types. We will study just those. First of all, it have common noun. Common noun. Common noun. What's common noun? Common noun refers to what? A common name of a person, common name of a place, common name of any things. Means like I say that I will write definition. Refer to common name, place, whatever. Name, place, thing, animal, whatever you want. That all include in common noun. Like if I write example, in example I will just write with, I will write pen. And now we don't know that which pen, which company pen it is. It's piano company, it's dollar company, what it is. So we will just write pen, so then it is common noun because we don't know the specific company that from where this pen come. Like in place I can write city or district or country, like this I will write. Means we don't know the name of that city, district or country. You can just write the city, that city is very beautiful. So this is common noun. Okay. And secondly we have the second type, that is proper noun. Proper noun refers to, refer to any proper place, name, place or name, place or thing. That is proper noun. If I write example here, I again give the example of same, like pen is there, I will write piano pen. Okay, city I will write Karachi. And in district I can write any district, like I will write means like Ijob is a district, so I will write Ijob, or Nasirabad, whatever district, Vatakalam, Abbottabad, these are district. So these are proper noun because they are giving us a specific name of any place or thing. Name also is a proper noun. Now we'll move to our next part. Write it. Now we have another noun, that is countable noun. Countable noun is which noun? Refer to that things that nouns. I read that nouns which we can count. Means those nouns which you can count, they are known as countable noun. Like an example I will give about example, like I will write two shoe markers or pair of shoes. So these are countable noun. Next part is uncountable noun. Uncountable noun, these are those nouns which refer to those also those nouns which we can not count, or which are uncountable. If those nouns which we cannot count are known as uncountable noun. For example, I write 1 kg sugar. I can write kg sugar, means sugar is known, but if I write 1 kg, because sugar is not countable, so I will write 1 kg sugar. You can also write stars. Stars are not countable. These are uncountable, but these are noun. So these are uncountable noun. Now one more type there is, it's called abstract noun. These are those nouns which we can feel but not see, or but are not visible, but can't be seen, but we can't see. These are known as abstract noun. Like I will write an example. I can write pride. Pride is example of abstract noun, or feelings, or air. We can feel it, but we cannot see it. Or there are a lot of things, feelings, which we cannot see, but we can feel it. So this is known as abstract noun. So if someone want to note, now some 2 more types, I think, no, 3 more types. Collective noun, singular noun, and plural noun. These are some major types. If you learn these, so then you will be having no problem in parts of speech, means noun. Now we have collective noun. Collective noun are those nouns or refer to those nouns which are in collection, which are in group or collection. How, like, if I give example, like I can write police. Police, it's a collective noun because a lot of person are working there, and that's why police is a collective noun. I can write bunch of grapes. A lot of grapes are being there in a bunch. So these both are collective nouns. Like this, there are many other examples of collective noun. And after collective noun, we have our next part, that is singular noun. Singular noun is which noun? Those nouns which are single. Like an example, I will write board. It is single. I can write chair. It is single. That I can also write means many other things are also present which are in single. Animals are present, like any animal. I will write dog. Dog is a single. So this is singular noun. After this we have our last part, which is plural noun. Plural noun is which noun? That noun or those nouns which are more than one, or which are two or more than two, which are two, which are two or more than two. These are known as plural noun. Like an example, I can write the same which I done. In place of board, I can write boards. In place of chair, I can write is plural chairs. In place of dog, I can write dogs. So these are some types of major types of noun. So please practice it, and we will finish our, because it's first lecture, so we'll finish it here. And after this, we will move to another part, pronoun. We will discuss its types, definition of pronoun, and then we will further move. And so, thank you, and wish you for best of luck for your study, or whatever you are doing, whatever your job you are doing, whatever you are doing. So, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.